Good evening everyone, I'm Roland Tagufa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Our topic is still about this Revit documentation, and we are still in phase 1, detailing your design. Yesterday we have talked about this two approach of making your detailed views. Number 1 is drafting views, and number 2 is legend views. And we also talk about some techniques of making this line style and about this detailed line. Now today, I'm going to introduce to you the 3 different methodologies with which you can approach the detailing process. Number 1 is hybrid detailing. So we're going to focus on this type of detailing. We're gonna make this, and then number 2 is we're going to discuss about standalone detailing, and maybe we're going to discuss this topic maybe maybe day after tomorrow. We're going to discuss this. We're going to make this standalone detailing. And number 3, maybe after this standalone detailing, we're going to discuss also about this model detailing. So we're going to focus on these 3 type of methodologies that we can use in preparing our detailed design. Guys, before we continue, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay guys, Revit is open, and next that we're going to do is we're going to open our sample project that we have discussed yesterday. I open this, and then in our introduction guys, I have mentioned 3 different methodologies with which you can approach the detailing process. Number 1 is hybrid detailing, standalone detailing, and then this model detailing. So what is hybrid detailing? Hybrid detailing is a combination of 2D and 3D detailing techniques. It involves using both 2D and 2D drafting tools and 3D modeling. This is our 3D modeling that we have created yesterday. This is a call out, and we open this section for call out. So you remember we have done this in our section. I'll open it in level 1, and this section that we have created yesterday, and then I double click it, and when I double click it, it brings me into section 4, and this section 4 we created this call out, and then I double click this call out, and it brings me to this section 4 call out, and this is 3D. So the meaning of this hybrid detailing is this combination of the 2 detailing. Number 1 is 2D, and number 2 is 3D detailing techniques. So this is our main focus for today. And next is what is this standalone detailing? Standalone detailing refers to creating detailed drawing outside of 3D model. So that is our next discussion. We're going to create also this one outside of this 3D modeling. So we're going to create everything, including all these things, and this is purely 2D, and we're going to make it in our what you call this drafting view. We will make this in drafting view, and we will do the same. So these are all completely 2D. And this is the next topic that we're going to discuss uh, maybe on our next tutorial. So this is outside 3D model environment, and it involves creating drawing using 2D drafting tools and techniques such as lines, arts, text, and then we can also bring some families also and use it in our detailing also. We have this detailed family, and we will explore this detailed family, and then we will adapt it also with our 2D detailing. So, and what is the meaning of this model detailing? This model detailing is uh, meaning is a process of creating detailed drawing directly from 3D model. Once you become familiar with creating families and customizing your project templates, the approach we prepare to as model detailing still involves the use of some detailed components. So, however, they are embedded into model elements where applicable. Example, we can make wood frames, structures such as seal, studs, joists, or anchors, combined with many things. Walls also. It is a combination of our 3D model, and we will place inside also some modelings also that we can do it in our component. There is a component and there is a model in place. So this is most of the time we're going to use if you are already familiar about Revit. This is advanced. This is for those who is already familiar in all of the commands of Revit. Even you can also make some appliances directly inside of your 3D model using this model in place. So that is the meaning of our model detailing. Model detailing is a process of creating detailed drawings directly from 3D model. It involves using 3D modeling tool in Revit to create detailed elements such as walls, roofs, floors, structures, elements, and then extracting detailed drawings from the model. Model detailing can be a time-saving techniques because it eliminates the need to create separate 2D drawings. Instead, you can create detailed drawing directly from 3D model, which ensures that the drawing are accurate and consistent with the model. The model detailing can be a powerful tool for creating detailed and accurate drawings in Revit. So this is 3D modeling, and we will do some example of this in our after this discussions of making this standalone detailing. First, we're going to focus on this hybrid detailing, and then the next focus is creating these drawings in standalone without any 3D modeling, and then afterwards we're going to create model detailings. Okay guys, next that I'm going to introduce to you is I'm going to introduce to you this line work tools using line work. So if I go to this model, there is a modify, I click this modify, and there in this view there is a view, this view panel, we have this line work tool. So this line work tool helps you to make your detailed composition more legible. Line work tools allows you to modify the edge of model elements in a view specific context. Note that this tool is not available in drafting view because it works only on model elements. So if you are in drafting view, this is grade. You cannot access this. So this one is only usable in this 3D model 3D modeling. So I'll just click this line work, and then in line work there is again line style. So I have already discussed to you about these line styles yesterday. You can also make your line style, and in AutoCAD I have mentioned that this line style is the same as plot style that we are using in AutoCAD. So if this is the same as plot style, you can also make your own line style. So just as we did yesterday, I have created one red. There is a red red line that I have created yesterday, and we have discussed these things. And then I have already clicked this line work. Next that we're gonna do is I'm going to this line style and click this drop arrow. And in drop arrow, I will select these medium lines. And in medium lines, all of these thin lines, I can change it. Change it into medium lines like this here. And also, we can also do it here. And also, all of this, we can make it medium line. All of this thin line that is here, can make it medium line like this, here, and here. That is the use of medium line. We can select this medium line to change those lines that is not appropriate for creating this what you call this shop drawings. So we can create this like this. Also these windows, we need to make this one medium line also, and this is medium line also. Oh, it's too much thick. So it's all about your requirements. It is all about the requirements that you needed in creating your shop drawing. Also guys, I'll click all of these also and make all of these as a medium line. And then next that we will do is we'll check if everything is already like this one. There should be a symbol of concrete here. Let's check. We are in this course in this what you call this and then we'll change it into fine. This one is detailed level, so I'll change it into fine, and there it is. There is already a symbol of this concrete here. If you click this, as you can see, there is a floor and edit, and they have already created this concrete. And if I'm going to click this for and then go to this graphics, there is already a concrete symbol. If we don't have a concrete symbol, we can make a concrete symbol also there. We can use this field region and make this concrete symbol here. Now next that we will do is we're going to make an earth. So we'll show the earth here because this is part of the building. There should be an earth on this location. So what I'm going to do is I go to this annotate, and then in annotate I go to this region, field region, and then I'm going to use this field region, this one, field region. And then next that I'm going to do is first I'm going to click what you call this invisible line, because there is already a line here. So I'll make an invisible line going here up to there, and then I hit escape one time, and then change this invisible line into medium line, and I go down like this, and then again I'll change this medium line into thin line, escape once, and then I'll go to this thin line, and then just make it like this, and then here and there, and then we're going to make an earth. So I just check if there is already earth here. I think we don't have. So what we need to do is just go to this edit type, and then in edit type you duplicate, and then in duplicate just name earth fill, and then okay, and then I go to this foreground fill pattern, and then I just click this, and there is this builder button. I click it, and then what we need to do is we're going to find this one, and then okay, and then we'll adapt everything, line weight, masking, okay, adapt it and apply, and then okay, and then let's finish this, and there it is, our earth. And you can also change the scale of that if it's not right for you. So I change this scale into 1:10. So it is too much, maybe 1:20. This is good. And then again now this is our drawing. So I just click this, and maybe I'll send this back, so that now this is already clear. So next that we're going to do is we're going to add detail components. So we're going to add detail components such as base modeling section, nominal cut lumber section, and then corrugated wall tie section. So let's check if these are all available in our components. So I'll go to this annotate, and then I'll go to this component, and then detail component, and check if these are all here. So what we have here is running section, corrugated, we already have this corrugated wall type, and then this nominal number 2x6, and then 2x6. Okay, I'll go back, and then detail, and again we have this what we don't have here is this base modeling section, so we don't have that, and then we need to create this. But first I'm going to select this corrugated wall tie section. I just select this, and then what I'm going to do is I'll place it here. Just hit this space bar, and I'll place it here, and then another one I'll place it here, and there it is. So you can move this if you like. You can place it here, and there it is, our corrugated wall tie. So we have this corrugated wall tie, and then next that we're gonna do is we're going to make this another one available there, detail component, and we have this nominal lumber cut. So I want this 2 by 6, and then I hit this space bar and place it here. 2 by 6. It's not enough. Okay, we will just edit this. So I'll just go back to this one and go to this edit type, and we can change the width and the depth. So we're going to duplicate, and I name it, because we are in meters, I name it 50 by 150 mm, and then okay, and then change this to 50 mm, and then this one I'll change it to 150 mm, then enter, and then apply, and then okay, and there it is. So you can move this down, or you can align it, and then align it, and then we're going to create another one here down, and then what I'm going to do is just hit this space bar, and there it is. And then next that we're going to do is we're going to make an insulation. So we're gonna make an insulation in this part. I'll make an insulation here. So I'll go to this annotate, and there is insulation. So I just click this insulation, and in insulation I just need to check our width. What is our width here is 150 mm. So I need to change this width into 150 mm. Oh, formula, why is it formula? Go back. Oh, this one, 150 mm, and then there, and what I'm going to do is just go and drag it up like this. Now we have the insulations, and then next that we will do is we're going to make also one this nominal cut lumber section here. I just create similar also, and place this one nominal lumber here. I'll just click this and place it like this, and then again I'm going back to this architecture, and then annotation, and I'll go to this component, and in component I'm going to make this detail component, and in detail component I'll select this 2 by 14, and then in 2 by 14 I place this 2 by 14 here. There. And then next that we will do, we're going to create this base molding section. So we're gonna create a base molding section, and we're gonna place it here. In Pakistan, they call this one skirting. So we're going to make a skirting and place it here on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back to our home, and then in home, in families, create new, and then I'll go to this English, and then in English I'll select this metric detail item. So I'll select it and then open, and then next that I'm gonna do is we're gonna make a line. So just make a line, just make a rectangle, and I'll make it like this, and then this one I'll make a distance di, and from here to here, and then also from this to this side, and then make this height maybe 90 mm, and then this one I'll make it maybe 15 mm, and then I'll make this again li, that is model line, and I make a fillet arc, like this. Oh, li fillet arc, there it was our fillet arc, and then next is we're going to make a line again, and then just make a line like this, small line of 5, or make it around 3 only, 3, and then down. Okay, now I'll trim this, and then go to this trim extend to corner, and then also this one and this one, and then next we're gonna go back to this create, and we're going to create this fill region, and then in fill region we're going to make a hatch. So I'll just go to this edit type, and I'm going to duplicate this because I don't know if we have a hatch here. Concrete, gypsum, plastic, rigid, steel, wood. Maybe if it's wood, I don't know if it's wood, we'll check it. Okay, this wood finish is okay. Just apply it, then okay, and then we'll use this wood, and we're gonna select pick lines. So I'll pick this here, and also this one, or you can pick it as make your just make your cursor here and hit a tab, and you can pick it all like this now. Pick it all, already pick, and then I'm just finishing this, finish, and there it is. So we'll change scale of this. We can change the scale if you like. Edit, and you can change the scale of this, and then this one will go to this end fill pattern, and then you can change this spacing, maybe 1 mm, make it 1 mm spacing. Okay, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay, and there it is, 1 mm spacing. So next that we'll do, we're gonna save this, and then save, and I will name it M for metric, and then underscore I'll name it base molding section, and then go to option, and then just select one or backup, and then save, and then next we're gonna load this into project, and then I'll go back to this callout, and we can place this here. So we'll make it like is, and we have that. And then next that we will do is we're gonna make a brick here, a repeat brick. So now I go to this annotate, and then there is component, and in component I'm going to select this repeat detail, and then I already have these bricks, and I just select it here and make it up to there, and there is our brick. And then guys, here you can play with the brick. There is an edit type, and here in edit type there is detailed brick with mortar section. If you click that one, you can select, this is the detail. So we have this brick running section, so we have that brick running section that we have selected. And then there is also a fixed distance. This fixed, we have in this layout, we have 4 type of selections that we can have. That is in our layout. First is we have this fixed distance. This fixed distance is absolute spacing between components. For example, strictly defined center to center measurement. Now this fixed distance, this spacing will not work if this is not fixed distance. Like for example, if I'm going to place this one fill space, this is grade. This spacing will only work with fixed distance and maximum spacing. This is not grade. This is the spacing that we have provided for each of these brick. So I'll just have this fixed distance, and then again there is another one, this fixed number. So here we have a number. We can fix the number. So if you will choose this fixed number and then you make apply, you can now this one, if you applied it, this spacing will be grade, and you can specify your number here. You can specify your number here. And then again, there is also a fill available space. This fill available space, I go back to that one. There is a fill available space, this one, meaning regardless of the value you choose for spacing, the detail component is repeated on the path using its actual width as the spacing value. So if you will click this one, see that this one is fill the spacing up to there. And here there is also what you call this inside selection. If I will uncheck that one, apply, and then there it goes up. So I'll explain to you what is that meaning of this inside later on. I just have one more meaning. This is maximum spacing. Just like fixed distance and maximum spacing, the detail component is repeated using the set spacing. That spacing that we have set, that is the one. And the number of repeated component is set so that only complete component are drawn. So these are same, almost the same, and that is maximum. This is the maximum that can be set. And if fixed, this is fixed. It can be going lower, or it can be going up to this maximum only. So if we say fixed distance, that is fixed, it will not change. But if maximum spacing, it will vary also, vary into this distance. As you can see, I have also this inside. Inside this option, adjust the placement of the last detail component in the repeated detail. So I didn't check this this inside, and I place it fixed distance, apply, and then there it goes up to this height. And it if inside is selected, the last component will be drawn inside the endpoint of the repeated details. So it means to say I have drawn this from here up to there, up to here. So this is the last component that my bricks will adapt. It will adapt this only up to there. It will adapt. If I'm not going to uncheck that, if inside is not selected, the last component will be drawn outside or overlapping the end point of the line. It will just like what is here. It overlaps. So if I'm going back to this edit type, and I again I'll go to this edit type and select this, and then apply, and then OK. Now this one, as I have drawn from here to there, this is the last one that I have drawn. It only goes up to here. But if I'm not going to check that one, it will overlap. Alright guys, that's conclude our topic about this hybrid detailing. And on our next topic, we're gonna do this standalone detailing. So we'll do standalone, we will do the same, but we'll not make any modeling. It's not hybrid, it's purely drafting work, and we will make it in our drafting view. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Till we meet again. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.